Question 1. Given the function and the composite function fg, determine the function g. Okay, so they gave us fx, they gave us fgx. Now we need to find the gx. Okay. So this is called inside function, where the function we are finding is inside. The next question will be looking at outside function, where we are finding the function outside. So in this case, what we can do is, they gave us fx, they gave us their version of fgx. So we can find our own version of fgx. So if fx is x minus 3, fy is y minus 3, fgx would be gx minus 3. So this is our version of fgx, this is their version of fgx, so we compare them. So we can say gx minus 3 equals to 2x squared minus 4x plus 7. Okay, this is our fgx, this is their fgx. We equate them, then from here we can find gx. So 2x squared minus 4x plus 7 plus 3. So 2x squared minus 4x plus 10. Right. Next, b. Same thing. They gave us fx, they gave us fgx. So fx is x squared plus 1, fy, y squared plus 1, fz, z squared plus 1. So fgx would be gx squared plus 1. Okay, so if gx squared plus 1 is our version of fgx, their version of fgx is this. So then we compare. So we say gx squared plus 1 equals to x squared plus 4x plus 5. So now we make gx the subject. Okay, let's just leave it as gx squared first. We bring the 1 first. So it will be x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, because 1 we bring there becomes minus 1. So gx square, let's see if we can factorize this or not. We can use our calculator. X square, 4x, 4. So you get negative 2 and negative 2. So x plus 2 square will give us this one. So if gx square is x plus 2 square, that means gx is just x plus 2. That's it. Okay, so you must have a sharp eye. You must see whenever you have quadratic equation, you must try to factorize it. If cannot factorize, it's okay. But if can factorize, you have to factorize so that we can cancel out the squares. That's it. This is inside function, finding the function when it is inside.